Hey everybody, what's up? It's Dom here, back once again. We're doing a comparison of known oil versus no known oil. I had to do that intro about 3 times, say that 5 times fast. It's a pain in the butt. Anyways, let's go here. So we have just a normal, no primed, just, glued together, Phase 1 Star Wars Clone Trooper right here. This will be our one without the known oil. This will be our one with the known oil. Now the color's a little odd there for the white. I used a different type of paint because I want to try these ones out here. We have the metallic acrylic color white paint here. Didn't really come out. It came out, like I said, more metallic-y than anything else, not as white. Looks better in person though than on camera, but it's still pretty rough looking when it comes to wanting to get that white there. That, I put a couple coats on there. It just didn't really turn out how I'd want compared to Army Painter that I'd used prior. Anyways though, so we're going to be, like I said, comparing the shade known oil here to the non-known oil. So this is the one without the known oil here. This is the one with it. You can definitely see within the chest and even the helmet where it's going to start bringing back the detail there, where it's more splotchy looking here. Here it's more sharper. It gets really within the crevices there, as I mentioned before on my known oil review. You can specifically see it there on the weapon details also, which is really nice. We check out the backside though, it's even become more apparent, especially around like the belt area here. But on the back here, where it's like you can put your backpack and attach it, I think. That's what you can see on the right side here. It's way more detailed. He does look more like scuffed up and dirtier a little bit, so he doesn't have as much of that shiny look, but there are different methods there for known oil. I know you can apply like anti-gloss and stuff like that there. But that's just a short little comparison here of no known oil versus known oil. Of course, here's like the base look at them there. So if we see here, with painting him, you see we're losing a lot of that fine detail. Keep in mind these are different models there, but known oil is going to bring back some of those finer details that we had originally before painting. Alright everyone, well, you know what to do, all that fun stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me any tips that you guys come along the way and we use them there. Like I said, if you guys are planning to paint with these, keep that in mind, that you're not going to really get that pure white look from like the TVs and the movies. It's going to look a little more different there. The black didn't turn out too bad, actually, pretty good. But yeah, keep it safe everyone. Peace out.